Hi, it's Ulianka, and today I'm going to show you how to make easy 3D objects with use of the round sponge. Before we start, please like, subscribe and click the bell button to know when I post. I make a variety of time lapses, makeup tutorials and product reviews. So if that's what you enjoy, this is the channel for you. If we speak about simple circle, probably it will be easier to paint it with a filbert brush or with a flat brush, but if you want to make a very quick 3D object, and especially if you want to make it a few times, for example if you want a caterpillar or any other object that represents a sphere, it is really fast to make it with a circle sponge. Obviously, with applying just one color, there is no 3D effect, just a circle. But applying a couple of colors together first and then turning the brush slightly will make this darker color to go around and create this effect of 3D. Since I have a few different sizes of this sponge, I'm trying them all. But what is important is not to turn all the way around, just maybe halfway through, so we can visibly recognize which side is lighter. For the bottom sponge, I'm going to use just one color for now, and then you can see the difference between the bottom one and then upper three. To the middle two, I'm going to add some highlights. Let's imagine that source of light is going from top right corner, and then shadow will be on the opposite side. And whenever you paint an object which has the shape of a sphere, that will work similarly. So this is just a sphere. At the bottom one we can make a certain type of bug, for example. But because it also has a spheric shape, we will do the same. We will do highlights from the same sides and shadows from the other. Now, to the bottom circle, even if I add the same highlights and the same shadows, it still wouldn't look like it's 3D, because it will be nice to have some gradation of color. So how we can change it? For example, we have this white circle at the top. We can apply just a little bit of color to the edge of our sponge and go around the same way as we did before. Even if you painted the circle with a brush, you still can add a little bit of color to the empty sponge and then add the color to the existing one. You can go all the way around with a new paint, but I think it looks better when one side is darker than the other one. After having this small color gradation, I will now add highlights and shadows. If I want to make my shadow a bit less sharp, I will go and wash my brush first, then dry it, and with a wet brush I will go over the edge of the black paint. Okay, let's paint real objects, and today I'm going to paint two cherries. First I paint two circles overlapping each other, and shadow is from the same side. Then I paint a stick, which is apparently called peduncle. Okay, I learned something new today. And then adding shadows and highlights. I think cherry is looking too boring without leaves, so I always add leaves to them and then any decorations that you want. Thank you very much for watching. As always, remember to hit the like button for me, and I'll see you very soon. Bye! If you are on Instagram, pop into one of my accounts and say hello. I do arts and crafts, face painting, creative makeup, and healthy food and travel. I hope to see you there.